sign-in sheets floating around. Please sign in. A little short today. We have a group going to the fair, and then along with just the natural people that's, sick or whatever. I think we've got about 10 or maybe 11 subs in the building. We got Coach Mayers out, and Mr. Bates is over at the alternative school today and tomorrow covering for Miss Harden, who had a workshop or something. So administratively, it's Ms. Ingram and myself, and then a school full of subs. So we'll get through it, and we'll be fine and everything. I just wanted to, just real briefly, we talked about the briefing and stuff, and you all are starting to get a handle on it, but I want to just show you a way that we can, if you have the same prep, if you got the same prep, I just want to show you a quick way that you can, when you get up here and brief, you can get up and you can get down, okay? So say I have the same prep and it's administrative principle 101 or whatever. All right, and I have the same prep and I have that prep, I teach that class 5 times, okay? So what I'm gonna do is and I do the same, closing or formative assessment for all 5 of those classes, okay? So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get up, and this is my first period, I'm gonna start with my first period. And I'm gonna start on Monday. And I'm gonna say on Monday, our formative assessment was, how do you conduct a faculty meeting? We talked about how you conduct a faculty meeting, that's what we talked about. And my formative assessment were 3 questions based on what we talked about, okay? And it's the same formative assessment. So I'll talk about Monday, then I'll talk about what I did Tuesday, I'll talk about what I did Wednesday, I'll talk about what I did Thursday, and then I'll talk about what I did Friday. Now, for Monday, this is where I'll show my artifacts. This is where I'll show my samples of the assessments that I did. Now, for my 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th period class, I'm just gonna throw this up there. I don't have to go back over my assessments if it's the same ones for 2nd, 3rd, 4th, and 5th. So when I brief my first period, if it's the same assessments, I'm gonna show my samples. Then 2nd period, I'm just gonna throw it up and I'm gonna say, this is what 2nd period looks like. You don't have to brief each square negative, because I'll sit there and I can see the squares and negatives. So if you throw it up there and say, well, this is what 2nd period looks like. Just give me and Ms. Ingram a couple seconds to look at it, and then if we have a question, we'll have a question. If not, we'll just move on. Then you'll say, this is what 3rd period looked like. Give us a few minutes. This is what 4th period looked like. This is what 5th period looked like. And then if you have, say, your 6th and 7th period, maybe 2 of the same in your 6th and 7th. Just brief 6, show your examples of your formative assessment, and then just throw 7th period up there. That way we're getting up and down, and really all you're doing is talking one. If, like I said, if your formatives are the same, then all you got to do is show us the sheet. And hopefully that'll shorten that process out. And I know that I was thinking about it, and I said, well, I never really talked about how to do it. So we've got some that's doing it that way, and we've got some that's being very, very thorough. But this is a way to just be thorough. We can be up and down and out, and then you guys it won't take up all of your planning period. Any questions on this? So that will just be the way that we'll do our debrief from time on. If you have like right here, I gave a test on Monday, and I just talked about my scores, and all of my scores was based on when I looked at my formative assessments. I felt like I had enough pluses, and with halt time, I fixed things so I was willing to give assessments and use proper scores. Any questions on this? just real simple. I hope that we had our advisory team, so I hope that your department chairs met with you on what we talked about in advisory. Are there any questions or any issues, any concerns about anything that we need to be made aware of?